Hello, in front of me I have COLMI V31 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and here tap on the settings icon. In settings, tap on the theme option. And here you should see the list of watch faces. You can scroll through it by swiping left and right on the screen. Find the watch face you like to use, and then tap on it to select it, like this. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.